Trevor began to extend the steel and started forging the knife shape. However, the belly of the knife looked a bit large, almost like it could be used for stir-frying. Fortunately, there was plenty of time, so he could adjust it slowly. An hour and a half passed, and the guys had all reached the stage of forging the knife blank. Among them, Link first extended the required steel blank before forging the knife shape. This way, the material was smaller and the speed was faster. Next, he just needed to widen the axe blade a bit before moving on to the quenching process. With a quick hammering by Highway, the rapidly hammered blade shape received rave reviews from the judges. After quickly forging his knife blank, he pulled out a Chinese hand fan, while Arthur joked that it was for fanning hidden weapons, which made the judges want it even more. Mike, on the other hand, brought over a large basin of water and, under the surprised gaze of the judges, began to quench the blade in water. This method could maintain the toughness of the spine while increasing the hardness of the edge. The results were indeed quite good. However, after polishing, he found that the edge width was slightly insufficient, so after some deep thought, he decided to weld another piece of W1 steel onto it. With this adjustment, the dimensions were enough, and he could create a flying fish edge as well. I would call this operation a remarkable skill. In the final 30 minutes, after Link forged his knife blank, he repeatedly went through normalizing cycles. Then, using the water bucket that Mike had used, he quenched the blade in water. Would this method be contagious? The judges felt a chill run down their spines as they watched. To make matters worse, the Brother-S knife even let out a sound, making it hard not to crack. Trevor chose the most common oil barrel for quenching, though the temperature was a bit higher. At least it would crack. Arthur was the last contestant to complete the quenching of his knife blank. As time ran out, the first round of challenges ended, and all 4 contestants successfully forged their knives, awaiting the first round of reviews.